Hey, what's up guys? So this is my camera. I bought it yesterday and accidentally I broke my lens. I accidentally dropped my camera like this and then my lens went boom, so I can zoom in and zoom out the lens, and it is broken. It is broken right now, so you can see it's not aligned. And you know, I've encountered this before, but it wasn't my camera, so I have an idea how to fix this. So I am going to, you know, share some idea for you to fix this. So as you can see, I can't move this lens right now because it is broken. And now what I'm going to do is hold it against my chest. You can see this is not aligned, as if you're going to get something in the jar, and like this. So boom, I already fixed my lens. So see, I already fixed everything. I hope I helped you a lot. And you know, just be careful with your cameras, especially your lens, because it's very expensive, you know. And don't forget to like this video if I helped you a lot, and subscribe to my channel for you to see my videos. Actually, this is not how I make content. I am not doing tutorials. I just thought that I could help you to fix your lens. So just check out my channel and see what are my contents there. So okay, that's it. I'm out. Thank you.